What's going on, guys? It's your girl Easy Breezy. Now, you already know we are back with a brand new hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Myfirstwig. They sent me this really cute bob lace front wig. Modeling today, we have my girl Crystal back in the building. Beautiful, hilarious, always positive vibes. You already know what's going on. So if you guys want a chance to win free products or free hair, make sure you tune into the end of the video so you know the instructions. Alright, so you guys already know to start this video off, I use my 3-step system. First the dry cleanser, and then I followed up with the skin protector. Now I'm going with the liquid lace so I can just do a thin line so we can attach this stocking cap. Now, if you guys are looking for perfectly toned stocking caps, head to galaxygirlhair.com. We have 3 different complexions. We have the beige, the medium brown, and the dark brown. In my videos, you're going to see me mainly use the medium brown because it pretty much covers a wide variation of complexions. And also, I have a question to ask y'all. When or if you've ever done the ball cap method on yourself or a model or a client, you know, I know the normal thing, or quote unquote, normal thing to do will be using the Got To Be spray, but I found that using the glue is so easy. I never even tried the Got To Be spray before. So what do y'all think? Like, have y'all done it with the Got To Be spray? You know, the Got To Be glue spray. Have you done it with glue? Have you compared both methods? I want to know y'all opinion on that. And the funny thing is, I've never even bought the product before. Like, I see a lot of stylists use it for their ponytails, use it to apply laces, but I just haven't really got on it. I don't know why. Now, y'all already know, all right, the only glue that I use on this channel is liquid lace glue from galaxygirlhair.com. Now, I'm giving away free bottles of liquid lace glue. Make sure you stick around to the end of the video so you can find out how to participate. All right now. I don't know if this wig is small or if Crystal head is kind of big. But listen, one thing I know as a hairstylist, the main rule is get that wig on. Now, sometimes if the wig is too small and it feels like it's gonna pull back, like right when she leaves my house, I don't usually put this footage on camera just because it's a lot of footage. But maybe I should. Maybe I would appreciate that. I don't know. But sometimes I will pull the lace up and tack it in like maybe 2, 3 or 4 different spots on the wig so that the wig doesn't slide back easy. Now this texture, length, color, everything just looks so natural on her. So we're gonna go with the deep side part. All right, so y'all know I normally use Got To Be Glue gel to do my baby hairs, just because it makes it stay for like 6 months. But today I'm using Tropical Root setting foam because I want a more wispy, natural look to the baby hair. So instead of them being stuck on, they're still gonna take their form and their shape, but they're gonna be a little bit more looser and, you know, just a little lighter. So lately I've been trying to do the baby hair without the middle swoop, right? But I don't know, I've been really going back and forth with myself with this hairstyle because I don't know if it's gonna look awkward without it. So I'm just gonna do just a little baby swoop in the middle, and yeah, that's what we're gonna go for today. So I like the length of the bob. You know, it's like a long bob, but we were actually going for a certain look. So what we're doing today is an asymmetrical cut. So I'm going to cut it above the shoulder in the back and on one side, and on the opposite side, it's going to go down a little lower at a nice slant. All right, so now we have our flyaway tamer, also from galaxygirlhair.com. Listen, we need to lay down those cowlicks and those flyaways, okay? So I don't know exactly what this technique is called. All I know is that it's cute. Kind of looks like a little tidal wave a little bit. And it makes the hairstyle look very neat and just, I don't know, what do you call this? Oh, this is cute. And to think, Crystal is actually scared of getting a cut. Girl, bye. Once again, thank you so much, Myfirstwig, for sponsoring this video. If you guys want this exact unit, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. If you want a chance to win a free goodie bag of Galaxy Girl hair products, text Easy Breezy to 31996 and follow further instructions. If you're not subscribed to my channel already, make sure you go ahead and do that and turn on your notifications. See y'all later.